Tapos sigaw mo, pasulong. Tsaka kumagkad, para marinig na lahat. Bravo Company, paglagkad, tsaka prosida. Ay, naku, tulog talaga ito sa Bravo, no? Ladies and gentlemen, passing before you the Metro Manila College Arrow Easy Corps of Cadet, led by the Drill Commander Cadet Lieutenant Colonel Abigail D. Dabumos, first class. And his S1 Cadet Alpha Company Commander Cadet Lieutenant Marcelo of Caloocan City. And his next Cadet Lieutenant Agyo of Caloocan City. First Platoon Leader Yellow Tino of Caloocan City. Second Platoon Leader Cadet Albert John Villaflor of Quezon City. Third Platoon Leader Cadet Lieutenant Boss of Caloocan City. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the passing of colors. You are now witnessing the Bravo Company Commander, Cadet Lieutenant Ramos of Caloocan City, and his EXO Cadet Lieutenant Abugay of Caloocan City. Bravo First Platoon Leader, Cadet Lieutenant Elato of Caloocan City.